Hi there, my name is Victor and I am a master technician.
Please be aware that I do not represent any company. I'm not endorsed by or affiliated with any automotive manufacturer or car dealership. All opinions expressed in this video are my own, and all trademarks, logos, and brand names are the property of their respective owners.
Today I'm going to show you how to replace the vehicle battery on 2019 to 2022 Lexus ES300h models. The battery on the ES300h is located in the trunk on the right side. It's behind this cover. Open the cover. You can put something on it so that it doesn't pop up and get in your way. Always disconnect the negative terminal first. It's a 10mm socket. Loosen it up. And you can slide it on off out of the way. And you have this vent tube right here. Disconnect that too. Pop this cover off. And using a 10mm socket, loosening the positive battery terminal. Now you can remove that as well. Comes out. And then on the side there you see a 12mm nut, or bolt rather. That's what holds the hole down. So we're going to go ahead and remove that 12mm bolt. Take it out along with the hold down. Now we can grab the battery by the handle and maneuver it out of its hiding spot. Put the new battery in. And get this positive terminal out of the way. It's not interfering with our progress here. It's kind of hard filming this and doing the job at the same time. All right, there we go. It's in the proper place now. We're going to reinstall the hold down right here. Sits in there like that. And then the 12mm bolt goes back in. And we can go ahead and tighten it up. Reconnect the positive terminal, wiggle it, and make sure it's all the way down. And tighten with our 10mm socket. It's nice and tight. Make sure it doesn't move. Reconnect the vent hose and get the negative terminal back on and tighten it up. You can spray the terminals with some battery terminal protectors so that there's no corrosion on them. Close the cover. And then maybe it would help if I close that. And there you go. You can go ahead and start the car. Start the vehicle up and see if there are any warning lights on the dash. Sometimes you'll get a park assist ICS warning light on. And that's what we have right now. It's blinking on the right side there. So to get rid of the light, you just have to drive in a straight line at over 40 miles an hour, 60 kilometers an hour. For about 5 or 10 seconds, and then it will go away. So we're just going to take it for a quick cruise, and this light is going to clear itself. All right, now that we took it for a drive, the ICS light cleared itself, and that is it. ES300h vehicle battery replacement is completed.
Thanks for watching. Please check for product links below the video for any tools or supplies needed to complete the procedure shown in this tutorial. If you would like me to make a specific video, please leave a suggestion in comments. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Cheers!